What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at the Ontario Mills Outlet Mall. They got some retail shops and they got some crazy deals. I bought some stuff for hella cheap here. Let's go check out a couple of the shops. All right, do got this huge Footlocker. It is pretty huge. I think I got my Omni pumps here for like 60, 70 bucks. It was hella cheap. All right, let's look. What the hell? Really? Really? 150 bucks. This is $50, $60 off of retail. Really? How are these on sale? That is crazy. I feel like these just came out, but I guess they did come out last year technically. Wow, because that came out around Christmas. Then got LeBron's here for $80. Like I'm telling you, the high volume stores, they seem to drop the prices because they just want to move stuff, especially when they only have a few sizes left. Like that is crazy. $80. Got some Zoom Freaks on sale. The Kyrie's $80. The Lowe's right there down to $180. Then the Airmore Tempos down to 100 bucks. Remember, if you do buy something like this, use the survey coupons. I hope you guys are doing the survey coupons. Every time you guys buy something, you guys fill out a survey, and it takes like 2 minutes. Fill out a survey and they give you a $10 coupon, so you can use that to be able to get that for $90. That's not bad. Jordan section got some stuff on sale. Okay, we know the Jordan 38s are about to come out, so yeah, the 37s. We're starting to see the Jordans even on sale at the retail shops. That is pretty fire, pretty fire. Got the Delta. These are Delta 2s. Delta 2s on sale. The 3s are out. I would have thought these were on sale a while back. Why not 0.6 is out? I was not even aware of that. Was not even aware. They did come out with a zipper. You could zipper up the whole freaking shoe. What the hell? Kind of weird. But yeah, these are Westbrook's signature shoe. $150 for these. I already got them in multiple colorways. I didn't even know these were released, and they already got them in multiple colorways. That is interesting. Okay. Still got Zion 1s. What the hell are these doing here? Do got Zion 2s on sale as well, which is not bad. Not bad. Oh wait, did I gloss over these? The Jordan 37 Lows. Like, what took them so long to come out with the Lows? I feel like they came out with the Jordan 37s forever ago, and then the Lows like quietly released, but they released like way later, and they look way different too. All right, these are here, $175 for those. Gotta see what's up with the Reebok section, because like I said, I found deals, and oh my god. First of all, they have both colorways of the Shaqs, both the OG colorways, and then this one's on sale. This one is on sale. Are you effing serious? Oh my goodness, $110 for these bad boys, the Shaq Attack. Man, these are fire, dude. These are fire. I'm such a fan of these. I do have this color already, this colorway. Man, dude, holy cow. And then this one, I think this is the one I found on sale, right? I think this is the one I found on sale. So I do have both these colorways. This is one of my favorite ones because I remember Shaquille rocking these all the time. These are just, oh my, I can't believe they're on sale. I really can't. I'll post that on my shorts, yo. Yeah, they got all kinds of sales. Look at this. This one's fire too. I'm not a big fan of the patent leather, but this is fire. They did this well. $100 normally, $140. The panini sandwich ones right here, and these are on sale as well. We've seen that one on sale here and there. Then I'm here in different parts of the country. I have heard of these going on sale. These are $140. If these drop at all, I'm definitely gonna grab one. The Kobe PEs. Okay. Dang, Reebok's hooking it up with sales right now. Damn, these are fire. Some of the classics right here. These are ridiculous. Man, $30. Man, just grab those and you got 2 pair of sneakers for $60. Use a $10 survey coupon. Get 2 of these for $50. That's hella cheap. If you like Lakers gear, you can grab this right here. But I'm not a fan of the workout. Like the material on the workout's just not as good. Some of the suede ones are a little bit better. Like this one's a little bit better, but yeah, the material's not the greatest. But yeah, that's a hell of a price. Still got the hair collab. I can't believe they still have this colorway. $30, normally $85. All kinds of Vans on sale. They got the skate lows right here. Bunch of eyeballs. Got this one here. Bunch of. I was like, what does this say? Why can't I even read this? Like, what the hell? Like, I need a something yourself. Express yourself. Oh, that's what it says. All right. I don't think I'm high enough for that one, man. Like, you need some stuff. $30 for these bad boys right here. These are normally like 80 bucks, right? Yep. Then the Lowe's, they got a couple of them on sale, but not the greatest discounts. This is the one with the really good material right here. These are the old schools right here. This material is like really nice. More skate highs right here on sale. 30 for those, 50. And then the Stranger Things collab right there on sale too. Okay. Oh, and then they got the Express Yourself on there on sale as well, because the other one was black, now that one's white. Do got 550s on sale. Can you believe 550s on sale? Remember when these were like the hardest things to get? But now they are all on sale. But that's kind of how the sneaker market's been lately, just when everything's on sale. Even these boots that I ain't never even seen before. Is these 574 boots? 574 boots, yo. Never seen these. Oh, wow. This one right here with that, man, this some nice nubuck material. This ain't bad. This is not bad, especially on sale. Normally 100 bucks down to 70. Like I said, use a survey coupon, get $10 off. Not bad. And then this is my favorite colorway of the T-Max right here. The materials, just look at that suede. Ooh, wee, look at that suede. I'm such a fan of that suede right there. Got suede all along the inside. 100 bucks a little steep still. But yeah, these are dope. They're normally $150 down to 100 bucks. See, this one's not bad either. Not bad, especially with the Toronto colorway. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. I'd rock these. $110. I'm not a fan of this one. This is one of the OG ones though. Then this is the LeBron colorway right here, or the St. Mary's, I believe. And the Trae Young 2s on sale. Pretty good time to catch up on stuff that you guys weren't able to get, because I didn't get any of these Trae Youngs. We'll see if I end up getting one. Is this a Trae Young 1 in here? Trae Young 1 in here. Still got a couple of them. These are huge though. These are all huge sizes. This might be a size, what, 12? The other ones are like 13s. Might be 11 or 12. What the hell is this, man? What the hell? They got a mule? A superstar mule? Oh my god. Dude, that's awful. That's awful. I'm good on those. Normally 100 bucks too. Do you got forums though? Do you got forums? I am a fan of the forums. Not necessarily like the regular other ones, but they're on sale maybe. Last few finds, I'm gonna head out. But Diodoras, look at these. All the Diodoras here on sale for $30. Normally $120. These are the N9002s. Got a bunch of them. These are pretty freaking comfy. Got the old school look to them. These are the N92s. Man, liking the materials on them. Those are fire. More of the N92s. And I got every colorway on sale. Man, these ain't bad. Got this one right here. Saw this one a while back, like a Valentine's Day one or something. $175 down to $40. This is like a corduroy material too, which is freaking fire. Corduroy, or is it like a canvas? Pretty dope. Then they got more and more of the N92s. Damn, all of them on sale. Just priced to go. And I normally don't even do pink, but this is nice, dude. Got some suede material on it. Suede's not super soft, but pretty fire. These are the same ones as those right here. I think they came out right at the same time. I think these are the Mavericks. Is that what these are called? But yeah, pretty fire, man. Pretty clean. All right, we're gonna check out at least one more shop, but I gotta go to the races soon. All right, let's go. All right, do got a Champs. I think I'll have time for these two stores. All right, let's look around. Do got the crazy ones. I am a fan of these. I do have this colorway right here, the Lakers colorway, the crazy ones, aka Kobe, the KB ones. Do got a couple different colors. This one just came out. She had them for like a week before the release out, which is pretty dope. Saw those on sale earlier. Got one of these bad boys, the Gill Zeros on sale, which are fire. Then this one's on sale too, I think. Did I get it for this price? I think I got these for this price. I forgot I had this one. I need to. I've been saying I'm gonna slow down, but it just really hasn't happened that way. Like I just end up finding deals. I'm on my third pair of Gill Zeros now, man. I got 3 of them at home. Nike basketball right here. Seeing if there's anything that stands out, anything on sale. Not really. Zoom GT jumps. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway though. I don't think I've ever seen this color. This is definitely interesting. No real clue on what the design on this one is, but yeah, I don't know. Is that like a gold chip? I don't know. I don't know what that is, but yeah, this here $1.80 for those. Got a couple of the Jason Tatums. None of the Jaws. Still ain't been able to see the Jaws. Those sold out like on day one. Air Max 90s on sale normally, what, 140? So not too shabby. Little discount. Not really digging into these colorways. All black right here, and this one not too bad, not too bad. Decent prices, but everything's been on sale, and you know everything's going to continue to go on sale because the economy's not doing any better. $90 for the Air Max 270s. These were never on sale before. Vapor Max also were never on sale before as well. 574s, a ton of these on sale. Look at the suede on this one. They don't get no longer than that. Holy cow, man. If it got any longer than that, you give it braids or give it a mullet or something. Like holy cow, that's the longest suede I've ever seen on a 574. But look, all of them on sale. All right, this is pretty freaking fire. This colorway is pretty nice. Does have the long-haired suede up top, midsole. Interesting sale colorway right there, not bad. This one kind of like this one because kind of like a Nintendo colorway right there. Original NES. Shack Attack here, not on sale. Did grab these for like 50 bucks. That was pretty fire. I do have one of those at home. That's fire. Waiting for this one to go on sale, and then maybe this one too, because it's fire. Nuggets colorway right here. Then we saw this on sale at Footlocker, but not here. That's why you gotta shop around it, even in the same mall. And got these. This is 25th anniversary one, isn't it? I think so, dude. I think so. $70. 50% off, more than 50% off because they're 160 now. Holy cow. Do got 25% off of apparel here, or this apparel specifically. But yeah, these if you want Mitchell and Ness, you want jerseys, stuff like that, go hit up a bunch of Sheiks. They got a ton of stuff for 40% off. Y'all saw that in my video. So 165 and then you get 25 off. So you know, there's slight discounts, but nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I think that's about it, man. I think that's about it. Pretty quick trip in and out of Ontario Mills in an hour, which I've never done, but I've only stopped by 3 shops. But yeah, we gotta go hit up an air show, then go hit up some races, man. All right, let's go check out some of that footage because some of that's interesting. Paris Auto Speedway, next stop. Got some good figure 8 racing. That fool's smoking everybody, dude. This ain't even close. This ain't even close. Ain't even close. Not even close. Main event, demo cross. Holy cow, there's so many cars. Oh, it's got that boat. Got the boat right there. So much going on. No, nobody's going through that boat. That boat's chilling. Oh, he hit it a little bit. Oh, Nikes, holy cow. Got him good. There's just so much going on. That car's going sideways over there.
Where's 93? Where's 93? I don't even see 93.
Oh no, is there a red flag? You're stopping? No. That's my favorite guy right there, dude. No rear tire, dude. No rear tire. That fool's just still going, dude. Damn, look at all the sales. This one definitely stands out. The Shack Attack's going for $110. Really? Normally $150. That is insane. Of course, do have a full YouTube video coming out, but I definitely wanted to give you guys an update right when I'm out in the streets. $100 for those, not bad. Pet material. Do got a bunch of Dioramas on sale too, if that's your thing. And these N9002s, is that what these are? Yeah, these are freaking fire. Like a corduroy material, going for $40. Down from $175. And these bad boys right here, these suede ones are nice. $150 down to $30. This place is pretty sick. Got plenty of deals. Definitely a fan of this spot. Got a YouTube video coming out. Make sure you guys check it out. Sale even at the outlet store. Or I will post that on more skate. Oh, these are skate highs. Those are more skate. Colorway's pretty fire right here. Gray with like a sail colorway on the bottom. This colorway is pretty freaking fire. It does have a sail upper. This colorway is pretty fire. Super long hair. It's